Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I have 10 years of experience in HR and a soft skill trainer wherein I help people to improve on their communication skills and their soft skills like spoken English, writing emails, professional English, etc. to corporates and students. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confident with my experience. So stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video. Today I'm going to talk about some important apps or AI tools which are really going to help you in your fluency journey. I'm going to take up topics which are really important in learning a language. So I'm going to explain you what all things are there which is really needed to help you in your English, in improving your English, and how you can use apps and AI tools to quickly improve on it without spending a penny. It's all free of cost and it will be at your fingertips. The convenience is also there, right? Using an app or an AI tool, the best advantage of using AI or an app is it is at your fingertips. Whenever you want, wherever you want, you can just open your mobile, you can open the app and you can start learning the language, right? So that is very convenient, irrespective of learning from a tutor or a teacher or getting enrolled in an online course or anywhere else or coaching institute, right? So those have timings. You have to go and attend the class on time, but here everything is in your hands, at your fingertips. Whenever you need, whenever you want, if you're busy also, whenever you get free time, you can just open the app and you can start learning, right? And the process will be quicker as well. You don't have to start thinking what should I start with now. Okay, it's all there. So that is why I'm going to take up important areas or focus areas which you need to focus on while learning a language and how the apps or AI tools can help you with that. And I am going to give you the names of the apps which is going to help you with your practice sessions. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, guys, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and you'll get access to all the amazing content on my channel. So let's begin. The first and the foremost thing I would like to talk about is whenever you're learning a language, whenever you want to start speaking or to start with the language, the first thing is the word or the vocabulary, right? You have to focus on vocabulary first. So what we have to do is you have to collect words, you have to know their meanings, you have to know in what context it is used, how you can use it in your own sentences. There are lots of things which you have to start working on, right? So you have to choose your material, you have to choose your resources, you have to choose, come up with your own sentences. There are lots of work which is needed to put in, right? And then lots of time you have to put in. Now, to cut those short, or to manage the time, or to stop wasting the time or putting in a lot of time and energy, what you can do is you can start using some apps which is really going to help you with your vocabulary practice every single day, right? So I'm going to tell you some apps which are really going to help you with this session or vocabulary practice. The first one is Word Up. So this is the next generation English vocabulary app which uses space repetition technology. Okay, space repetition is something which helps you to memorize the word. Okay, after 2 days, then after 5 days, and then after a week. So they will repeat that word so that it stays with you. You will be able to memorize it, and whenever you need, you will be able to recall it. So that is a space repetition method. And this app uses the space repetition method. So if you use this app, you don't have to practice it on your own. Like you don't have to set up an alarm or write it somewhere that, after 2 days I have to revise this word. Okay, it is all there in this app. You just have to open this app and it will remind you of everything. So space repetition method is also there, which is very good, which is very helpful in memorizing a word. So that is there. Apart from that, there is a knowledge map which shows where you stand. Okay, which means what is your score or how much more efforts you have to put in. So it will show a knowledge map for you as well, which is good to track your progress. And the other advantage of this is it brings words to life. It shows images, videos, expert analysis, and lots of examples it puts in for a single word so that you know everything in and out about that word. So that is very important, which is very good, which is very interesting also. You'll see videos about it, you will see experts talking about it, you will see a lot of examples on that word and images also, which be there in your brain just to settle everything in your brain and to help you with memorizing it. It shows a lot of variety of things so that you can remember that word. This is a very practical and very useful app. It is very handy. Try it and you will get to know what I'm talking about. So word app. Another one is Memrise. Memrise. Yes, it is a flashcard app. So it shows you flashcards. It is based on flashcards. It will show you flashcards to remember the words. Okay, and this also uses space repetition method, which will help you in memorizing the vocabulary, and you don't have to put in extra efforts. The app will tell you which word you have to practice today. So that is all there. This is also a good app which you can use, but it is just based on flashcards. There's nothing more to it. Okay, you'll just get the word and the meaning and everything else in the form of a flashcard. Okay, there will be no videos or any, pictorial representation or anything else about it. Another app is Fluent. I like this app a lot. It has a lot of different things in it. There's a free trial available, but it has a monthly subscription also. I don't think they cost much, but see, if you like it, you can just use it. Okay, so Fluent allows you to learn new words by using them in context, specifically through videos and interactive subtitles where the word is featured. So you will get to know the sentences also where the word is featured, and it will show you through videos. Okay, which will help you to remember the word. So basically, Fluent works as a video vocabulary. You can just type a word and you'll see a lot of videos related to it. It will show all the video clips and you can open each video clip and you can listen to it to understand the word in context, to understand the meaning better, and it has a visual appeal as well because it is a video dictionary, right? Now, the other advantage is after finishing the video, you will get a small quiz also. So you can review your vocabulary through quizzes and multimedia flashcards. So you can do that as well. That is the advantage of Fluent. So these are the 3 apps which I feel are good for learning vocabulary on the go. If you're busy, if you don't have time, or you don't want to put in much effort, you want to save that extra time and energy, you can just use these apps to learn vocabulary every day. Use it for 5 or 10 minutes every day. You will improve a lot on your vocabulary. Another one is, along with vocabulary, I would like to mention pronunciation also. So you should learn pronunciation as well. So here is an app which is clubbed with vocabulary. It gives you the meaning of the word also and the pronunciation and sample sentences also, which is called Vocab English Flashcards. Vocab English Flashcards. Okay, so it will give you the meaning of the word, the context it is used, examples or sample sentences also, and it will give you the pronunciation also. So it will help you in your pronunciation skills as well. So this app helps you with both pronunciation and vocabulary. Now, after vocabulary and pronunciation, we need to practice English speaking, right? And I always told you that I want to club reading, writing and speaking together. Okay, I always do this. Once you read something, try to summarize it, write a script, pointers, anything which will help you, and then start speaking on it. So practice reading, writing, speaking, or listening, writing, speaking, or watching, writing and speaking simultaneously. Whatever you are watching, you can just jot down the ideas, write a small script, and then start speaking on it. So you have to club all these things. Now there's one app which is really going to help you with all 3 of these, which is a combination of everything. And this app is called Busuu. And I really love this app. This is a great app. It's called Busuu. It is also free, but I think there's some subscription also needed at some point of time. I'm not very sure about the latest thing. When I used that, it was free. So maybe some subscription might be needed at some point of time. So you can just see that app. If it helps you in everything, you can pay also to start using it. But try this app. It is really good. It helps you in vocabulary, it helps you in reading, writing and speaking practice as well. So it is all in one app. So you don't have to get 3-4 apps in your mobile. Just one app will do everything. Now it helps you in connecting with online learning communities. So it has a community of online learners also. You can connect with them and you can start speaking and talking to them and interacting with people on this app. It has a video chat platform, video and chat platform, both is there. So you can get hold of anybody and you can start speaking to people and you can join communities, groups there, and you can start chatting or speaking to people there. You can pick up English vocabulary. You can start practicing writing, speaking and reading every word you learn. So whenever you have learned anything, you can just start practicing that on that app as well. And the best part is you can connect with native speakers and learners from all over the world to help you with difficult vocabulary or just simply English speaking practice. So this is a very wonderful app which I have found, and it really helps you. It will really help you. Trust me on this. So guys, these are some of the apps which I wanted to talk to you about. Now we are in the age of technology. We need to utilize technology. There are AI tools, there are apps which are really going to help you with a lot of things, right? They are designed scientifically also. Like I spoke out space repetition method or technology, which is a research which says that it helps in memorizing something. So a lot of apps are based on space repetition method, which if you use, it will automatically help you in retaining the word or memorizing the words, right? So if you use that app, you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to open the app, you have to learn, and then you have to close the app. The next day when you open, it will again prompt you what you have to do. Okay, so start getting familiar with these apps and AI tools. Start getting familiar with technology. It is really going to help you a lot. It will save your time, energy and everything else. And you can put that energy and time in learning things quickly and easily and effortlessly. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.